In today's video I'll share what I did to combat rashes. Every week, I'll share tips on how to become a baby model. Let's start. Natural solution. I've never heard anybody share about this remedy. Putting a cloth all day on the affected area heals the rashes. So I've been using scarves to make them disappear. It makes me look fashionable, doesn't it? From this. Now my skin looks like this. There's only a small spot left. Fast solution, my pediatrician said use Oxycord 2 times a day, for 3 days. This works fast. I use this 3 days before the photo shoot, so that by photo shoot day, my skin is clear. I have 2 baby model videos you can watch next. Click on one of the boxes here. Enjoy and see you again next week.